Now let's try to buy some USDT using Malaysian ringgit. So the way to buy USDT is all the way you press buy crypto and then P2P, right? This is the only way you can do that in Malaysia. So right now, let's try to find one of them to buy, right? Let me go through here first. So right now we are at buy USDT and then we are using Malaysian ringgit. And then you have a lot of payment methods. Mostly there's bank transfer, touch and go, main banks, all right? All these methods you can use. That's available by the advertiser here. Refresh settings, right? How much time do you want to refresh? Maybe for me, I want to refresh 5 seconds every time. And then right now, because I'm only I'm new, right? I'm not eligible, so it's quite sad for me. So the only way for me to do it is okay. Let's press here. You see that we're registered for fewer than 30 days and fail to meet the requirements set by the counterparties, right? The advertiser do this because they're scared that the newcomers don't know anything. Those that set 30 days, right? Some of them make available for us to buy, so we can choose them as well, right? And then we can select whether we want to verify advertiser or only eligible ads. So I just want only eligible ads, right? So this person is verified, and this has his orders and the completion percentage, right? The more he completes, the more safe that it is. And then we have the USD, right? How much USD is still available for this particular guy, and then how much money he's willing to accept, right? For the one-time transactions. So let's try to find one that's lower rates so that we can buy at a cheaper price. And let's say I just want to buy 100 USD. So let's find one that offers 100 USD. So this guy, I want to buy everything from him. And right now, after you key into how much amount you need to buy, now it comes to a countdown. All right, countdown. You must complete the payment before this countdown, and then you need to see how much you pay and your price and the total quantity. And then we can select the payment, which is bank transfer or touch and go. And then this is where you can check with your reseller. And then after you complete, only press complete. So right now I will select bank transfer. So I will tell this guy, so I will bank in now. So okay, so complete routine, please confirm confirmation within this time frame. Make sure the payment using a payment method outside Bybit, right? Then after you complete, you will send, right? After they receive the bank transfer, then they will release the USDT to you. Log in your any banks which is available, main banks and other banks, right? New transfer, main bank. Okay, so you copy the account number, transfer amount, right? The amount which I need to transfer is this amount. Then I can shoot transfer. So make sure the transfer to name is same as this, and then you must use your personal account transfer. All right. So after you transfer, you go back with payment completed. I understood. I confirm pay legal name, confirm transfer. Right. So I will just tell him done transfer. Please check. So this is how you do P2P transfer. So now we just have to wait. Right now you have your proof of payment. You already paid to this guy using this amount. So you don't really have to, scared of anything. Right? If that guy doesn't want to release the USDT to you, you can always appeal. Okay. Right now, it say done transfer well received. That's why we can continue to get our USDT and wait for the countdown. We will give a good review to this guy for giving us such a good rates. Okay. Now we get the USDT to buy our crypto. So that's how you buy P2P exchange. So remember, in P2P exchange, you have to make sure right? You transfer using your personal account, number one. Number two, right? It is transferred outside of Bybit system, right? So you use main bank or any bank to transfer to that guy. So you to have the receipts in your bank, I assume. So if they don't receive USDT for you, I just wait for the countdown and don't do anything. Then you press appeal, right? If they don't give you USDT. So that's how you transfer and buy USDT in Bybit.